I'm going to show you how to hand catch the Spark. What we'll say, if you've never flown the Spark before, I wouldn't advise it. If you've never flown a drone before, I would not advise it. Once you've got used to flying the Spark and you know how it works, then give it a go and watch the vid. Okay, to hand catch the Spark, I find the best way to hand catch this is go on to the side of the Spark. As you go to the side, just come up underneath. And just like that. And that, to me, seems to be about the best way. You don't nearly go your fingers right up. Just up underneath and grab it and turn it on its side and it turns itself off. Just like that. Just before you turn off the off button. just caught you then. Right, now on my YouTube banner you'll see some icons. Now one of them is my Facebook page. Now on my Facebook page I run a page for drone seekers. You know, obviously me and Steve go out. We call ourselves the Drone Seekers. But if you want to join it to put up your videos or you want to answer a question, because you don't have to have, if you're thinking about buying a drone, please do ask us. That's what it's there for. Or put your video up, that's even better. The only thing I do stipulate to everything that you put on there has to be approved every time you put it on. So I know that's a bit of a pain, but I like to keep it restricted. But you have to have a Facebook page, guys. If you've got some made-up name, you won't be able to join. But if you use your proper name, and obviously you've got a Facebook page, and I've got no problem with that, you can join it. Now, like I said before, it doesn't have to be DJI drones. It can be any drones that you got, or even if you haven't got any drones and you're thinking about joining it. So, thanks for watching. Keep watching, and I'll catch you again soon.